Everyone deserves good health. Clark County Public Health is working with community organizations, businesses, and residents to support changes that put good health within reach of all county residents. One of these efforts includes improving neighborhood health in an area of central Vancouver where residents are at greater risk for poor health outcomes.
Partnerships for Healthy Neighborhoods is an endeavor through Clark County Public Health to look at a larger community-wide influences on the health of children. Because we know that where people live, work, play, their environment influences their health and their choices.
An important way to improve neighborhood health is to increase access to healthy foods. Helping individuals make healthier food choices is significant in a county where 2/3 of adults are overweight or obese.
Low-income population areas tend not to have the access to a full-service grocery store like more affluent areas. So many residents rely on these small convenience-type stores for their groceries. Public health is helping them have better access to healthy food. We're helping the stores stock and sell healthier foods like fresh fruits and vegetables.
Currently, 7 stores are participating in the Healthy Neighborhood Store project. Funds for displays, marketing, and education were made possible by grants from Kaiser Permanente and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
Most people know that fruits and vegetables, for example, are healthy, but they do need a little help. The type of education we're going to be providing is in the shelf talkers. We're going to identify foods that are healthier in the stores, have little shelf talkers, say, on the cooler, identifying what kind of beverage is a healthy beverage, what type of snack is a healthy snack, one that's lower in salt, sugar, and fat.
All of the Healthy Neighborhood Project stores accept SNAP electronic benefit transfer cards, formerly known as food stamps.
And having those right in the front of the store when people walk in and they do not expect a healthy food from the convenience store. But when they walk in, they look at it, they say, oh, okay. It'll take them a little while, but slowly it'll set up in their mind. They say, okay, I can get that from that store.
It's now easier for shoppers on a budget to purchase produce at 3 farmers markets. Camas, Salmon Creek, and Vancouver markets have all purchased electronic transfer machines, which allow SNAP clients to exchange benefits for wood tokens that can be used as cash to purchase produce. The 3 markets also offer the Fresh Match Incentive Program, which matches the first $5 of a SNAP client's benefits. The markets work with public health on outreach to SNAP clients who may not know they can use their benefits at a local farmer's market. The Fresh Match Incentive Program is funded by New Seasons Market and the Kaiser Family Foundation.
They may not be real sure about where it's at and how to use their card, so this is an incentive to introduce them into the market, and then once they are at the market and see that the produce is on par with what they might purchase elsewhere with their cards, if it's in season, if it's fresh, it introduces them to the local food system, it introduces them to the farmer who's growing their food, and hopefully it will keep them there as a customer.
Food from a garden is as fresh as it gets. Clark County Public Health, as part of the Partnerships for Healthy Neighborhoods, is helping local residents to grow their own produce. With land donated by businesses and apartment complexes, and thanks to a Walmart Foundation grant, residents can put food on their table fresh from a plot at one of the various community gardens in the central Vancouver area.
Because we know that gardening not only is a way to help people access fresh fruits, vegetables, but also to improve physical activity because it can be pretty good work out here on a day when you're hoeing and weeding. And it also helps build community. You know, even though people may not speak all the same language, gardening is kind of and food is an international language, and so this is one place where people can build socialization and get to know neighbors and just build community.
For more information on Partnerships for Healthy Neighborhoods, go to Clark Public Health's webpage on the county's website at clark.wa.gov/public-health or call 397-8056.